Hello friend, my name is Cherise. Welcome to a desk makeover video. This is my humble desk where I've been filming all my YouTube videos in the past 2.5 years. It was a piece of wood that we turned into a desk. I also recently installed these bookcases and a couple floating shelves, but I'm going to be focusing more on my desk setup today. In the beginning of the year, I decided to transform this space a little bit, and I know it's going to take me a long time to put it all together. My space has been dull and boring, so my goal for this desk makeover is to bring color and cozy feel, accustomed to my preferred style, filling it with things that make me happy, making it more enjoyable and inspiring to work in. One of the biggest changes to the space was the desk. I knew I had to change the desk. Filming art and journaling videos makes me need a bigger table where I can keep all my materials accessible while keeping them out of the frame. It was a well-loved desk. Even though I'm replacing it, it will be suited for a different purpose. My hunt for a replacement wasn't an easy task. I wanted a solid wood desk with light natural finish and a clean uncomplicated design. With a little patience, I was able to find a desk on an online shopping platform called Shopee. I'll be sure to link all the items included in this desk makeover on the description box so you can check them out if you're around Southeast Asia. I'll also try to see if they are available somewhere else like Amazon. There's not much storage in this room, so I also got a small drawer to put alongside my desk. I haven't stored anything in this drawer yet. I'm still going to get one more bigger unit that I'll place next to the door, and I'm thinking of doing a separate video where I organize all my stationery and art stuff, so stick around for that. I've been sitting on a stool while filming my art and journaling videos, So all these years, I've been experiencing back and neck pain. I wanted a swivel chair. There are so many nice chairs that I've looked into, but they are out of my budget. So after a lot of searching, I ended up with this white leather swivel chair. I'm just kind of disappointed when I saw a dent around the top part. I think it happened while shipping, but I'm gonna be leaning on it anyway, so I love that this project didn't give me immediate gratification. It took me 8 months to acquire everything that I need to achieve this pace. Now that it's all here, I am more than grateful. It feels rewarding to have come this far. If you're still here, thank you for watching this desk makeover video. I hope you find putting myself in this space inspiring. I'm thankful to each one of you for being here on this humble channel and be able to share my art and creative endeavors with you.